Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish kitchen. This is Robin Cook and I am so thankful to be with you here today. So today's recipe is a really fun and vibrant salad. As you can see, we have lots of beautiful colors here that we're going to get to enjoy. Now this salad is not a traditional salad because we're not using any lettuce, which is a shocker because I love my greens. But sometimes you just want to take a break from lettuce. You know, you might just have had a lot of salads lately, or maybe you have just other veggies besides lettuce that you want to use and enjoy. So this recipe will be perfect for that. So here we go. We're first going to need 2 wonderful organic carrots. You can use orange carrots, you can do white carrots, yellow carrots, purple carrots, whatever carrots you want to do, you can use them. So I'm using orange carrots today for a nice rainbow effect. So we're just going to keep the skin on since they are organic carrots, and we're going to make nice ribbons into our nice bowl here. So just take a vegetable peeler and just peel away. This is a fun thing for kids to do. So they can just use the carrot and just go to town with this peeler. So this carrot is going to give us quite a bit of ribbons. Now you could shred carrots if you wanted to, but I think this peeler gives them such a beautiful presence in this salad. So it's almost like pasta. So this will be fun. If you wanted to cook the carrots one day for a totally different recipe, you could take these carrot ribbons and saute them lightly in a little bit of avocado oil. So maybe that'll be another recipe for another day. So this carrot is just about done. I will save this and I can maybe chop that for dipping into hummus later or something like that. So you're gonna take your second carrot, same thing. Carrots are known for their amazing beta-carotene. Beta-carotene, it can be converted into the body for use like vitamin A, which is really helpful, and it's also wonderful for the eyes. So carrots are amazing for our eyesight. You might have known that. Carrots also have some good fiber in them too, and believe it or not, they are a pretty good source of biotin, which is nice as well. They also have some potassium in them too, so I love learning about different foods and the benefits that they have. So those facts come from a place called the worldshealthiestfoods.com, so you might want to give that a check. The next is going to be a broccoli stalk. Now, a lot of times this poor thing gets thrown away, but not tonight. So here's what you're gonna wanna do. Once you've used the broccoli crown to steam or something else, keep this, and it has a really tough skin. So what you're gonna wanna do is you can take a knife and peel that tough skin back, and then on the inside, it's quite tender. So we're gonna use this tender part for our salad. So once again, we're going to take our peeler, and you might need to be a little bit more careful with this just because some of those fibers from that tougher skin are still on there. So it might take you a few peels to get down to this really tender area. So this is a part of the broccoli that has still a wonderful amount of nutrition. It even has a little bit of protein in it, believe it or not. So we don't want this to go to waste. Now, if you wanted to cook this, you could cook broccoli stalk for a different recipe if you wanted to do that, but this is going to be a nice way to enjoy in a salad. So we're almost there. Now, what is left of this broccoli stalk, you can save it and put it into a freezer bag to put into chicken broth later. So this still has some nutrient value, so you can just chop that, put it in a freezer bag, and save that for later. The next thing we have are these beautiful organic yellow peppers. Now you could use red or green or orange peppers if you wanted to, but I just had these yellow ones on hand. So I'm just gonna sprinkle those into our nice salad bowl here. And I love the amount of vitamin C that these bell peppers have. So this is a wonderful nutrient boost. And then this one here, do you know what this is? This is a purple daikon radish. And this is from a local farmer, the Red Fern Farms, and I love their produce. So this is gonna give us, again, gorgeous color. Isn't that amazing? I just love the colors that God has given us in food. I know I say that a lot, but it is so true. Now you have to be careful with these smaller veggies that you don't accidentally get one of your fingers in there too. But isn't that color just phenomenal? And radishes, sometimes they are a little on the spicy side, but a little bit here will be just fine. There we go. Now you don't have to use purple radishes. You could use the regular red ones if you would prefer. But we're gonna use these purple ones. All right, and then I'm gonna put some fresh organic cilantro. So you can just kind of tear this in here. So cilantro is not limited to Mexican food because this salad is gonna have a little bit of an Asian flair to it. So I'm just gonna kind of tear this in here, a little bit more, and that's gonna give us some wonderful flavor and great antioxidants too. So gotta love cilantro. Now, if you're not a cilantro person, don't fear. You can just omit the cilantro. The recipe will still turn out just fine. So just a couple more leaves in here. Perfecto. Okay, next is the ginger. So this is the organic ginger. I've already washed it, and I'm just gonna grate about a 1/4 teaspoon into our bowl here. So isn't this color amazing? All of these different flavors that are gonna get to come together. Ginger is fantastic for digestion. So that is an added benefit for this salad that is gonna be great for gut and digestive health. All right, so that is just about enough ginger. You can always add more if you would like. And then we're gonna add another superfood spice to this. This is turmeric. So this tiny little thing packs amazing antioxidant value. So this is a bright orange herb, wonderful anti-inflammatory support. So just a little bit, like 1/8 of a teaspoon or so. You could do more if you wanted to. All right, so now we're going to start adding in the dressing components. So I have an organic orange here, and I am going to squeeze some organic orange into this. So I would do about 2 tablespoons worth of this organic orange. You can use a juicer if you want to, or you can just squeeze. All right, so this is gonna give it a little bit of sweetness and citrus and some added vitamin C, because remember that bell pepper also has great vitamin C too. Next, we're gonna do some coconut aminos. Coconut aminos, of the different aminos out there, these are the sweeter kind. So I like to add this into Asian dishes or dishes that I want a little bit of sweetness, but not too much. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of the coconut aminos. There we are. And then I have some sesame oil, toasted sesame oil. And I'm also gonna do 1 tablespoon of this too. So we're going to put this in here. Woo! So that's gonna give it a nice toasty flavor, a deep earthy flavor from that sesame seed. So now what we're gonna do is add just a tiny bit of pepper, because pepper synergizes with the turmeric. When you have a healthy fat, turmeric and black pepper, it helps it to actually be, the turmeric to be more bioavailable, and we definitely want that. So now just grab some tongs, and we're going to toss this gorgeous sesame salad together. All these amazing colors and flavors are just going to be fantastic. So you want to get all of the added dressing ingredients well coated onto the veggies. And then once we have that coating, then I'm going to grab a plate for us here. Isn't that a fun color? And then we're just going to plate our salad. Isn't that gorgeous? These different veggies that we have here. I'm going to close these and set this aside, and then let's jazz this up with 1 more sesame element. I have some black sesame seeds that we're just going to sprinkle on here, just for a little added crunch and added effect. And then there we have it, my friends. We have this beautiful sesame ginger salad. I hope that you enjoy. God bless you, and we'll see you next time in the Cook to Flourish kitchen.